So it looks like we have a layered haircut transformation here. Nice simple way to add some shape to the hair. Ooh. Sophisticated polished bob. I love the layers he added here. Okay, so here we have someone, she has some pretty thick hair. He dyed the hair and he begins to cut. And it looks like she got this beautiful bob. Wow. So here he is doing another layered hairstyle. Oh, I love this shoulder length bob with bangs. Very cute. And then we have another layered hairstyle. Followed by another layered style with gorgeous color work. So here we have someone with long hair and she ends up getting a pixie. And we have someone with red shoulder length hair. And she switches it up with this really cute pixie. I think what I love most about this look is definitely the color. And the cut is really fun and cute too. She's got the bangs in the front. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.